Hi guys, good morning, happy Sunday. At dahil Sunday, day off ko, kaya kahit umuulan, lumabas ako ng napakaaga. So, ngayong araw, kahit umuulan, magsiswimming ako. Swimming ako hanggang mga 11:30. Tapos, mamayang hapon, magka-hike ako, rain or shine, na diba? Day off eh. Samantalahin ng day off, charot. Na ano lang siya, short hike lang. Kesa tumunga nga, ito wala naman ibang mapunta. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Nasa park ako pero walang tao, walang matambayan. Gawa nga ng umuulan. So, swimming at mag-hike na lang.
Ayan, tapos na kaming maligo, mag-swimming. So, mag-hike na kami. Sakay muna kami dito.
Hi guys! So, ano po yung video? I'm just fixing my hair and taking a video. For this video, 7 minutes. Punta kami ng Aberdeen Reservoir. So, nandito kami ngayon sa may St. Joseph, Prince Road. So, sakay kami dito ng bus 15 or pwede rin sumakay Central. Tapos, bababa kami ng One Chai Gap. See you there!
So, ito na yung One Chai Gap, guys. So, kita nyo yung Police Museum. Tayo dadaan sa gilid, no? Padaalaan dito sa may park. Papunta dito sa Country Park ng Aberdeen. So, ito yung susundan natin ng way papunta ng Aberdeen Reservoir.
So, dito na kami sa may ano, Wong Nai, ay, One Chai Gap. So, ang ganda ng view dito. 1, 2, 3. Okay! Pa.
Buti na lang pagdating namin dito, tumila na yung ulan kasi nung nagaling kami kanina sa Causeway Bay, as in talagang malakas yung ulan. So, andito na kami sa Ladies Clementi's Ride. So, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo hanggang dun sa may Aberdeen Reservoir.
Actually, ang ganda. I like it. Diba? So, yung dalawang kasama, mga Indonesian lang. So, 3 lang kami. Tapos may camera yung isa. Oh, so I'm using cell phone. So, medyo kurog yata. Wait!
So, ganito yung view pagka tapos lang ng ulan. Parang, ang green-green lahat. Kailangan lang mag-ingat kasi nga madulas yung daan. Tapos loop pa. Pero at least simentado naman.
Ako yun ng tren. Hala, landota. And then continue here, the Hong Kong Trail. This is section Hong Kong Trail.
Section 3, right? Section 3, this is section 4.
Going to the peak?
Yes.
Hong Kong Trail. My God. Like,
It's a sexy one.
yes, it's a sexy. I don't want to wear short because the mosquito will follow me.
Section, sexy. Ako pa rin ngomong section to.
You know the weather is good for us.
That is why I tell you, let the rain to come down first.
The rain is stopped. So this is a country park. I like it. You know, the weather and the trees are very nice.
When summer, because all is covered by tree.
Yeah, but I don't know why I am holding my umbrella like this, feeling like there's rain.
And this is all is the summer.
Yes.
Ayan, photoshoot muna. Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda nung trend nung kakatapos ng ulan.
Nakikita na siya dito. Ayan, ganyan pala yung nakikita. And we are still very far. Yeah. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda ng weather. Gusto ko yung ganito lang. Basa-basa. The medyo dark. Like my mood. Sarap mag-hike pala ng ganito. We'll never do that. Ngayon pa lang, pag may ulan kasi ayokong lumabas dati. At cellphone na yung gamit ko kasi pag GoPro siya. Pag GoPro, madilim. Ayaw makisama nun sa weather. So, ang ganda. May mga bunker. May mga bunker pala dito. At that. Ganun. Ang ganda. Oh, may picnic site. Pero kinakagat na ako ng lamok. That's why kanina naka-short ako. Nag-change ako ng pants kasi kanina di ko maulan. So, Y-Ford Road Trail via HQ Trail. So, there's a tollway in here. There's a tollways. 3 ways. Ah, in Aberdeen. So, Aberdeen papunta dyan. Nung kami galing sa Wanchai. Kaya, look at that guys. May mga, I think it's bunker or battery na tinatawag nila. So, doon papunta yung Aberdeen Reservoir. Doon pala papunta. Hindi dito. What are you doing there? Oh, you're so beautiful.
But here no toilet. If you want to have a barbecue, then the toilet the other side. Later
Oh.
I will show you later.
You're here! But we cannot see a water from here. No water? Where's the water can? Where is the water go? At least we can say that we hike.
Oh no! You see, it's very dry. Oh my God!
No water.
So yun, dahil umulan, in-expect talaga namin na puno to, yung aagos yun dun sa may dam. Eh ito, konti pa lang pala yung tubig. So wala naman kasing storm, pero malakas yung ulan. Ito, magre-reels na lang. So, okay lang naman kahit na walang masyadong tubig na umaapaw, pero maganda talaga dito. Konti lang yung tao kasi nga maulan. So, dapat aagos yung tubig punta dito. Kaya lang, kulang pa yung tubig. Kulang pa yung ulan. So, ito yung kabilang side. Hindi nga lang mapuntahan to dito. Sarado daw kasi.
Busy pa yung dalawa sa kaka-teacher. So, ako, ay, ang ganda niya. Hindi nga lang yung tao. Ako, video lang. So, ang ganda ng camera ha. Buti naman tumigil na yung ulan kasi kanina talaga ang lakas ng ulan dito. Ganda. Ang ganda guys. Bababa pa pala kami. Yeah. Bababa. Offer ng madami-dami na yung mga pictures with my umbrella. Bababa na kami. Ay, hindi. Nakit daw sa upper side. So, itong dalawa eh. There's so many picnic sites here.
Yes, I think it's more than 4. The other side also have the barbecue side.
Oh, but there's so many mosquito here. Yeah, nice. It's nice. Yes. Oh my God, it's so nice. Even the water is low, but it's very nice. So ingat-ingat lang tayo dito because the lupa is wet. Hey guys. Yeah, let's go. Bye. See you next time. This place is very nice.
You're close from here, so anytime you can come here.
No, thank you for bringing me here.
Yeah, it's very close.
Oh, my God.
We don't know here. I'm too much enough.
I'm dark, so just sew it. Only sew it.
Go, keep going.
So, galing dyan. Makiat kami. Ulit. Here is muddy. So, it's okay because I just wear sandals. So, okay lang. Is it palladium is nice? You're wearing palladium, right?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Is it okay?
Is it okay?
For hiking, comfortable?
No, for hiking. For hard trail is not suitable, but it's for the easy trail is okay.
Oh.
But you have to clean up.
That's why I did not wear shoes today.
You know, Ate, I don't have sandal. And for the second yesterday, I fallen down. My hiking shoes is.
So, upper reservoir bridge and dam. Ito yung valve kanina. Where is it? Lower. So we saw it already. And lower reservoir pump house. Oh, this store. Oh, it's here. So meron na naman dito impounding reservoir. Wow, it's nice. The mosquito is sucking my blood. Ang ganda ng araw. Ang ganda ng hike namin today. Kasi tumigil na yung ulan. Pinagbigyan kami ng ulan. Ah, that's...
What?
Oh.
Lisa, you can go down there.
Yeah, I've been looking for that one. Yun pala siya sa baba. Ang ganda.
Pumalik kami dito sa taas at mag-iikot daw muna kami dito. Dito kami dadaan, pabalik. Kasi tapos na yung aming pag-explore dito. So, aakyat daw kami. Pupunta kami dun sa dulo. Then may daan dun, pabalik dun sa kanina yung may 3 daan. Tapusin lang namin ito. Then, maglalakad pa rin kami hanggang makabalik kami sa city. Hindi kami sasakay. So, watch out guys.
Yes, but I think it's only 1 hour.
Yeah, before sunset.
Yes. Because before a sunset, because it's already
Oh, this is nice, right? You know?
4:20.
Office.
Arrive in the destination. So, ito, papunta na tong Aberdeen. Aberdeen Reservoir Road. Is there any bus coming here? Side, no? Aberdeen Country Park. So we go back tayo Aberdeen Country Park. It's nice here.
Now no more dirt.
Very good idea.
Finish it with a tissue after.
Kids walk. Money for us.
Keep walk.
So that's, my friend, is the end of our hike for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.